Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to bypass the internet connection requirement during Windows 11 setup. This allows you to install Windows 11 without Wi-Fi or Ethernet and create a local account instead of signing in with a Microsoft account. This method is working on Windows 11 24H2 and the latest Windows 11 25H2 builds. Let's get started. When does this screen appear? During a clean installation of Windows 11, you'll go through the initial setup process. After selecting your language, region, and keyboard layout, Windows will eventually display either "Let's connect you to a network" or "Oops, you've lost internet connection." At this point, Windows won't let you continue unless you connect to the internet. Fortunately, there's an easy workaround. Open Command Prompt. While you're on the network connection screen, press Shift plus F10 keys on your keyboard. This opens the command prompt window. Enter the bypass command. Inside command prompt, type the following command exactly as shown: ob/bypassrow. Then press enter. This command tells Windows to bypass the mandatory network requirement during setup. Wait for the restart. After pressing enter, your computer will automatically restart. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Windows will start the setup process again. After the restart, you'll need to repeat a few setup steps. Choose your region, your keyboard layout. Continue until you reach the network setup screen again. Select I don't have internet. This time, you'll notice a new option at the bottom of the screen. Click I don't have internet. This option wasn't available before running the bypass command. Continue with limited setup. Next, click Continue with limited setup. On some Windows versions, you may skip this screen and go directly to the local account creation page. If you see an Accept button, simply click Accept to continue. Create a local account. Now you can create a local Windows account. Enter your username password if you want one, security questions if prompted. Continue through the remaining privacy settings. Once finished, Windows 11 will complete the installation and load directly to the desktop. And that's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.